Everyone, thank you so much for clicking that play button. My name is Ashley, and in today's video, I'll be taking you along my journey of decluttering and reorganizing my small closet in my master bedroom. So this is an overall view of my closet. It is atrocious. The doors are falling off. There's only one panel on it, and we just really need to start new. So I'm literally decluttering it. I kind of want to start off with a whole new wardrobe, so we'll see how that goes. But essentially, these are all the items in my closet. So ideally, what I'm going to try to do is go through everything in my closet. I am going to make 3 piles, 1 pile for items that I'm going to keep. Second pile is for donations, and the third pile be for items I'm going to try to resell because I have a lot of clothes with tags still on it. The camera is not doing any justice, but this pile is a donation pile and there is a lot of clothes. So far, I think these are the items I'm gonna keep. On the bottom shelf, I currently have my blazers, but I do want to find a better way to store my blazers, mainly because I'm not really wearing them and I want to create that bottom shelf space for something else. So if you guys have any suggestions on how you can store a blazer, that would be greatly appreciated. Please leave a comment down below. And that shelf I'm going to reorganize with my jeans. In addition to my closet, I also have under the bed storage because my closet is really small. And in this bin, I have a mix of swimwear as well as shorts. So I'm going to go ahead and go through this and get rid of swimwear and cover-ups that I just don't fit, that no longer serve me, aren't in style, and the same goes for shorts as well. I hope you enjoyed watching part 1 of my closet declutter reorganizing. I definitely have a long way to go, so this is to be continued. Please follow along on the journey, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye for now.